could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Hi everyone, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a random weekend in my life. It's 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Me and my husband are getting ready to go to Ikea today. Ikea is too far from our place, so we generally order online. But there are a few things that's on my mind and I want to see them first before buying. Right now we are on the way to Ikea. It's actually 50 plus kilometer from our place, so we don't go there often. Today we have to buy a few things. Also, we kind of wanted to go for a long drive. We are going by a nice road, and it's a beautiful road to go for a long drive. It used to be actually. So there is some construction going on. I'll try to vlog inside IKEA. So let's reach there first. And I'll see you.
That I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance. And the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
हमें सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करने का टाइम नहीं मिला, तो सोचा शॉपिंग से पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं. So after entering IKEA, we came straight to the food court. I took chicken tikka masala and Kishan took a paneer tikka masala along with some potato wedges and desserts. I also packed some chocolate chip cookies for home. Dessert first.
How is it?
Honestly, coming to IKEA food court is my favorite thing to do whenever I visit IKEA. They have so many options at very good price and taste भी काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है. Then कॉफ़ी पी के हम निकल गए थे शॉपिंग के लिए. Yeah, take it. IKEA is always crowded on weekends, so I could not shoot much. Weekdays का मुझे idea नहीं है. I have never come here on a weekday. Hopefully थोड़ा कम crowded रहता होगा. This time I controlled myself and only bought things that I need. So proud of myself. क्योंकि यहाँ की बहुत impulse buying होती है. You end up buying stuff you don't need. 2 घंटे में ही पूरी शॉपिंग हो गई थी. अभी वापस जा रहे हैं. I'll show you everything once we reach home. I got these coffee mugs which is 179 rupees each. I love the color and the quality is amazing. अगर आप ऐसे कप्स बाहर से लोगे तो obviously काफ़ी महंगा आता है. Then I have this kitchen organizer. I really do need some space in my kitchen, so I hope this helps. They also have a smaller size in this.
It's 449 rupees. After fixing the legs, this is how it looks. Then I have this drawer mat. The price is 279. I got a spray bottle for my kitchen for 119, and this dishwashing brush only for 49 rupees. Then I have this salad mixing spoons. It's a set of 2 and it's 229 rupees. I got these boxes to keep my makeup and stuff, and these are 49 rupees each. They're quite sturdy as well. I needed these cushions for my balcony chairs, and they are 600 rupees each. They have different colors and sizes in the same pattern. This balcony table and chair set is also from Ikea, but I ordered them online. It's sturdy, foldable, and looks decent. I finally got this full-sized mirror. I had been eyeing on it since a long time. आज सोचा ले ही लेते हैं. We got a chest of drawer जिसको मैं अपनी makeup vanity बनाने वाली हूँ. Then we got this beautiful rug. It matches the color of my sofa, and I wanted something in dark color. It's 5.3 into 7.7 feet. I was looking for a good quality rug from different websites, but the prices were way too high. This one costed me 4,490 rupees, and looking at the quality, it's worth it. I'll mention the link to all the products in the description box below so you can check them out. The shelf organizer is very useful. As you can see, I'll definitely order a couple more. It saves a lot of space in the cabinets. It's day 2 and we were really tired yesterday, so I could not shoot much. After breakfast, Kishan अपने काम पे लग चुका है. He is assembling the mirror and the chest of drawer. I suggested that we should call somebody from UC to assemble the drawer at least, but he said no, I can do it. But trust me, it took longer than expected. It took him 4 hours to assemble the drawer, and it was extremely tiring. I don't think if I could ever assemble any IKEA furniture. I don't have that kind of patience, so hats off to him. The chest of drawer is finally ready. I wiped the drawers with a wet wipe. Now I'm going to fill it with all my makeup and stuff. I have kept all my lipstick, foundation, mascara and eyeliners in this box here. These are some makeup brushes. Some more makeup in this box, and these are my skincare products. In this drawer, I have my nail paints, all the artificial jewelries and hairbands. I ordered these jewelry boxes from Amazon in 3 different sizes. In the bigger box, I kept all my heavy oxidized earrings and a few neck pieces. You can take the partition out if required. In this box, I have all the gold earrings, again artificial. These gold earrings are very much in trend these days and I love statement earrings. I have few golden and silver hoops and bracelets here. I used to throw them here and there. फिर मैं ढूंढती रहती थी कि कहाँ रखा है. So these boxes are quite helpful in that case. In the last drawer, I kept my hair dryer, hair curler and straightener, a few of our watches and sunglasses. This is how my temporary vanity space looks like. We can only do so much in a rented apartment. आज पूरा दिन assembling and organizing में चला गया. It's dinner time and I'm making a pesto pasta. So here I'm boiling some spaghetti with heavy salted water and I have added a little bit of olive oil to the water. You can find a detailed recipe on my YouTube shorts. Then I'll make a pesto sauce. For that I'm taking some basil leaves, juice of half a lemon, few cloves of garlic, grating some parmesan cheese. मैं कोडाई का parmesan cheese यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि वो थोड़ा अफोर्डेबल है. Adding some extra virgin olive oil as well. Then goes in 1 teaspoon salt and 2 ice cubes to retain that green color. Grinding them into a coarse paste. Now chopping some walnuts. ये भी हम ऐड करेंगे. And now I'll grind them again to make a paste. मुझे इसका fine paste पसंद है. Ideally you have to grind them into a coarse paste, but my husband has braces on. अगर मैं coarse paste बनाती हूँ तो it kind of gets stuck. So it's totally up to you. आपको जैसे पसंद है आप वैसे बनाओ. Spaghetti is also cooked, just draining it and saving some of that pasta water. I'm adding some broccoli, zucchini and bell peppers to make it a little bit healthy and fulfilling. You can use mushrooms, capsicum, carrot and baby corn as well. Adding some olive oil to a hot pan to saute the vegetables.
like I think of you. Wonder if you dream the way I do.
Salt and pepper to taste.
When you look at clouds, do you see faces as I do? Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do? Wonder what would happen.
Now goes in the pesto sauce. Now I'll add the spaghetti and coat it properly with the sauce.
Laugh at my simple poetry. Or even worse, would you look at me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great and that you would like to be my friend? 'Cause
आई लव पेस्तो पास्ता एटलीस्ट महीने में एक बार तो बनाती हूँ एंड जिसको भी मैंने आज तक खिलाया है सबको बहुत पसंद आता है. सो डू गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड आई एम श्योर यूल लाइक इट.
go there with you.
गार्निशिंग विथ मोर पार्मेजान चीज़, क्योंकि कितना भी चीज़ डालो कम है.
Wonder if you think about escaping. Or do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall? Maybe you find.
And this is how we spent our Sunday night. I hope you like this vlog. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you again with another vlog. Until then, bye bye.
Yes, if